This is happening. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube video that you've all been waiting for. A lot of people have requested that I post my granola recipe. This is the best granola recipe that you'll ever see in your life. The only recipe that you'll need for the rest of your life for granola. And I'm not being dramatic because I've made this granola probably over 25 times. Without further ado, this is the best granola recipe ever. You are going to start by heating a very small little pan thing. It's a pot. Start by heating a small pot on medium heat and then add some coconut oil, almond butter, honey, and mashed banana. I usually just eyeball it, but like I use a big scoop of like a tablespoon. It's not like TBSP, like you don't have to measure it out. Like I'm literally using like a big tablespoon to scoop out the coconut oil. And then I usually add 2 scoops of almond butter. I mash half of a banana or like a little more than half of a banana. And then the honey you just drizzle in. It's probably like 1/3 of the amount of almond butter that I use. I don't know why I cannot think of the word almond butter. Like why does that keep escaping me? Once you've added that all to the pan and the coconut oil has melted down, you're gonna stir that up and make it into one consistent liquid batter. You're gonna turn that off like once it actually stirs together, so turn the stove off. And then you're going to mix your dry ingredients. So I like to do 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. Then I add flaxseed meal, that is Bob's Red Mill brand. A little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and I think that's it. Oh no, the best part about this are the walnuts and the pecans. So you're gonna like just take a handful, crush them up, make sure they're in like smaller than bite-sized pieces. Mix all of your dry ingredients together, make sure it's well combined and evenly spread out throughout the little bowl. And then you're gonna add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, mix that all together. I should have told you this earlier, but you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna put your granola all over a nice little baking sheet and then pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes have passed, take it out, mix it all up. Drizzle some honey, put it in for another 5 minutes. There's a little piece. After that 5 minutes, then you're gonna take it out, mix it up again, put it in for another like 4 minutes-ish, and then take it out, and then that's done. You're gonna mix it up all together, and then your granola is going to cook and toast up while you leave it out on the stovetop. Leave it out for 1 to 3 hours. You can consume the granola almost immediately after it comes out of the oven. I would wait like 5 minutes so you don't burn your mouth. But I would recommend waiting 1 hour to 3 hours before storing the granola. 1 to 3 hours, as long as you can, because it gets crunchier the longer you leave it out. If you're just gonna put the hot granola into a container and then close it up, it's actually gonna get like a little soggy and chewy. So I would recommend leaving it on the stove, leaving it on the baking sheet that you've cooked it in from the very beginning, and then you have the best granola ever. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye! I have a little bumblebee that lives outside my window and it's so cute. Look at this mound of food. It looks so good. You're gonna mix it up all together. Oh my god, there's a little red robin. It's so beautiful. It's time to stop buying store-bought granola. Like, why are we doing that?